This is the final video to fix no mod settings or mods option in Cyberpunk 2077, because without it you cannot manage or use mods properly. Are you opening Cyberpunk 2077 and noticing the mod settings or mods menu is completely missing? This problem happens when required mod frameworks are not installed, game files are outdated, or updates break mod support silently. Sometimes mods load incorrectly, or the game version does not match the mod system at all. Many players search YouTube or social media for help, but most fixes look long, confusing, and full of steps that feel hard to understand. That only wastes time and creates frustration. On REDscript, I focus on simple fixes that actually work, and today I will share a secret easy trick that brings the mod settings option back fast. This trick works because it restores proper mod integration instead of changing random game files. You do not need advanced modding skills, risky edits, or full reinstall. You just apply one smart method that works for most Cyberpunk 2077 setups. After this, the mods option appears, mod settings load correctly, and customization works again. Many viewers on REDscript already fixed this exact issue using this method. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix the missing mod settings or mods option in Cyberpunk 2077 for good.